And hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today on my fake bowl. So today I decided to call it Ateya's organic turkey cabbage bowl. So these are the ingredients, and remember, you can use anything you want to for your bowl. Right here is my shiitake mushrooms, my cabbage, my ground turkey, and you need a bone broth. Today I use beef. These are the noodles that I'm using. On today I decided to use JADE pearl. And another meat I wanted to use today is my Gulf shrimp, and I cannot forget my basil. So everything is prepped. I cleaned out my mushrooms. I added my seasoning to my shrimp. And again, I only used like 2 cups of the cabbage, and I shredded it up. So let's get to cooking. So right here, we're gonna make sure that we boil our noodles. We're gonna add avocado oil to the pan. And again, add any season that you like. I always use Celtic salt, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and cayenne, because in my household, we like a little spice, okay? So we're gonna just chop that up. And right here, I'm adding some heat. And I just pushed everything to the side. We're gonna now add our shiitake mushrooms. This is one awesome 1-pan meal, guys. I mean, this doesn't take long at all. This takes less than 30 minutes. So right now we're gonna add our cabbage. We're gonna add some more heat, some red pepper flakes. Our noodles are done. We're gonna put that to the side. And now we're just gonna mix everything together. So right here, I'm adding my shrimp. And I'm gonna put a little hole in the middle of the pan, and I'm gonna add me a little coconut aminos, add some more seasoning, and we're just gonna let everything marinate together. So this is the finale. We're gonna add our bone broth. And again, a lot of people eat it by itself. You don't need the bone broth, but I love it as a bowl. So guys, it is done. So to make it go to another level, I always add this seasoning, and I will put the ingredients at the bottom, but you do not have to add that. So I split my bowls up. So this is what I'll have for work for 2 days, and it is done. And I added my basil on top. So now it is time to add our noodle. So I just put the noodles to the side, and then at work, when I'm ready to eat it, I'll mix it all together. So this is my fake bowl. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you make it, let me know. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please take care of yourselves, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.